Hi guys, if you find yourself in a situation when you pull the handle in the back of the vehicle in one of the passenger doors and it does not open, this could mean that the mechanical child lock was engaged. And the only way to open the door now is actually from outside. And as you can see, it can only be opened from outside right now. And this is where the child lock is located. You will see one on each of the passenger doors in the back. And in this position it is locked right now. To unlock it you have to push it up like this. And I'll show you guys again. So now it is open, and now I will close the door. And as you can see, only now I can open it myself. The biggest advantage of this mechanism is that you can prevent your children, for example, or anybody else who sits in the rear seats from accidentally opening rear doors when the vehicle is in motion, when you're driving, or when, for example, there is heavy traffic around the vehicle. One thing that you have to consider though is that when you use this child lock, in case if there is an accident or if there is a fire in the vehicle, whoever sits in the rear seats won't be able to open the door themselves. In this case, somebody from the outside has to open the door for them. That's it for a quick review of our child lock in the RAV4. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.